Are you planning your trip to Goa? Save this reel because you will need it when you land. Whether you're here to chill by the beach, party till sunrise, or taste Goa on a plate, I'll break it down for you for what's totally worth it and what's overhyped. But don't miss the last one. Baba Aurum might show up on every food list, but is it really worth it? While the ambience is peaceful and Instagrammable, the food can feel a bit underwhelming for the price. If you are short on time, you can skip it. Purple Martini at Anjuna truly lives up to the hype. Get there before the golden hours to grab front row views of one of the best sunsets in Goa, with great drinks and even better vibes. Take a short walk off the beach and you'll find this hidden oasis. Chill by the lake, dip in, or just float away from the touristy noise. Anjana's OG Beach Shack. Curly's is all about the sunset, the seafood, and the carefree Goa energy. It's loud, it's lively, and it still hits if you're in the mood for some classic experience. Forget fast food. These burgers are juicy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. A hidden gem if you're craving a break from seafood. Right on the Baga beach, La Salas serves seafood and fire party energy until late. Think beach bonfire and dance floors. Overhyped alert. Sure, the views are gorgeous, but the crowd and the wait time? Not it. The food? Below average. If you've already seen the sunset, skip this one. Owned by an Australian master chef, Sarah Todd's, Antares is the perfect mix of fine dining, cocktail, and music. It's pricey, but totally worth it for a splurge night. For one night, go big. Float into luxury with Delton Royale, Goa's premier casino experience. Even if you're not gambling, the buffet and live shows are a win. Are you ready to turn up the volume? Cape Town Cafe on Tito's Lane throws one of the wildest Bollywood nights in North Goa. Don't miss it. Your trip to Goa isn't complete without a night at Sink. Poolside parties, DJ spinning till 4 am, and the perfect crowd to close your trip on a high. So go ahead, save this video. Drop a comment on your favorite spot. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for no more BS guide. See you next time. Bye.